In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a circle on the screen. First, we need to go up to the area with the variables, and we're going to create an ellipse variable. We can call it whatever we want. I'll just call it my circle or my circ. We're not going to put anything into it yet. We will do that in the setup. So now we can scroll down to the setup and say that that variable that we created up there, my circ, is going to be equal to an ellipse. And here we can give it all the location we want. So the X, Y, and the radius. So for my X location, I'll say maybe 200. So that's 200 to the right. And then I'll say 300 down. For the X radius, I'm going to say that it is 120 wide and 120 wide, 20 tall. If I just hit play on this, I should get a black circle. Now note that this is the center of the circle is 200, 300. And then we have 120 wide and 120 tall. Now when we're going into here then, if I change this number, I can make it into an oval or an ellipse. So I can say that this is 240. And now it will be wider. If you'd like to change the color of the inside of your circle, you can just use fill. Make sure it is above that, the fill my rect. This is based on the red, green, blue. So I'm just going to go 100, 150, 200. That'll change the inside color to blue. I would recommend using a color picker to try to pick out your red, green, blue amounts. Now you will notice there's that black border all the way around. To change that, we're going to go stroke. And again, it's red, green, blue. So I'm just going to go in the reverse. I'll go 200, 150, 100. And you'll barely be able to see it. So I'm just going to change the stroke weight. And I will change that to about 10, just so you can see it. And if I run this now, we should have a thicker border. That's kind of an orangey color, blue inside. And there you go. You have a full circle.